Alright guys, hey, I'm back with another video, and I was going to do an unboxing, but I already opened the box. But look what I got. Barbie Stanley, guys. I can't open this. Jesus, what is this, super glue? There we go. Alrighty, they got a box inside of a box. Oh, got an envelope. Stanley dash Barbie. In a Meet Cute to Remember, Barbie invites Stanley, her 65th anniversary, to celebrate women around the world. Fashion fun patterns reimagine the optimism of global icon through her dazzling decades. This is not a paid promotion. Oh, it's so nice. And they come with stickers. Nice. Okay. Let's get to the good. Oh. Okay. Ooh. It's like a purplish pinkish straw. It's hot. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love Barbie. I love everything pink. Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching.